What's that?
Do you know what that's worth? Heaven is a place on earth.
So I looked up this snoring clip, and basically it has two magnets on the end. It says it uses gentle pressure and magnetic therapy to prevent snoring. And snoring can actually be very serious because it can mean you have obstructive sleep apnea. And sleep apnea can directly cause pulmonary hypertension, which puts a tremendous stress on the heart. And actually it can cause serious problems all over the body. So I looked up the scientific evidence on this nose clip, and this is what it looks like. There's absolutely nothing. Desert. And that makes sense because there's so many different causes of snoring and sleep apnea. It's different in everyone. So don't let somebody sell you crap and take advantage of you. If you have sleep apnea, if you're snoring, you have to see a sleep doctor because it can be serious, and a sleep doctor will diagnose you and prescribe you the right intervention for you.